If you're experiencing high ping while playing Baldur's Gate 3, it can significantly affect your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce your ping and improve your connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can do this by running a speed test. If your speed is lower than expected, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. This can provide a more stable and faster connection, reducing latency and improving your overall gaming experience. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online applications that could affect your connection. Step 4. Change server region. In the game settings, check if you can change the server region to one closer to your location. Connecting to a server that is geographically closer can help reduce ping and improve your gameplay experience. Step 5. Optimize network settings. Adjust your router settings for optimal gaming performance. This may include enabling quality of service QoS to prioritize gaming traffic, updating your router firmware, or adjusting MTU settings. Refer to your router as manual for specific instructions. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping while playing Baldur's Gate 3. Enjoy your gaming!